Look at these pictures. They are beautiful, aren't they? Additionally, don't you see that it's the same character in different poses? I want to tell you that these characters are not real. I decided to explain step by step how to create an AI influencer and change their clothes using artificial intelligence in less than 2 minutes. In this guide, we will explore 3 completely free methods, but before anything else, let's first create our character. In this tutorial, I will use a picture of a man, but the same steps apply to all characters. The first step is to go to Artflow AI. Once you're there, you'll see this interface. From here, go to the Image Studio and click on Create New Image. Here, you will describe your character. For example, I will ask it to generate an image of a muscular man aged between 40 and 50, taking a picture at his office desk while at work. If you take a look at his creations, you'll see that he generated 4 images. Now, we will request another set of photos, but with the same characters. We'll change the setting to the beach and have the man wear a red t-shirt. We created these last 4 images to have pictures with the same characters, but in different locations and wearing different clothes. Now that the pictures are with us, upload the photo where you want to swap the face here, and upload the other photo whose face you want to save here. Click on Generate, and wait a little while for the final image to appear. Next, we need to upscale the quality of the image. Search for Upscale Images CapCut on Google and upload your image there. Choose the quality you prefer. I will choose 4K quality. After that, click on Generate and wait until it's finished. Then download your picture. Look, now the picture has excellent quality. Now we will learn how to change clothes using text prompts. First, go to this site and upload your image like this. Wait a little, and after the image appears, click on the Enter Prompts button. In the box, describe the clothes you want to change. For example, I will write, "I need this man with a black t-shirt," and click the Generate button. Wait a bit, and the image will appear with the updated clothes. If you take a look, you'll see this is a good image. Now, we will use it to change the prompt again, replacing black t-shirt with Real Madrid t-shirt, and wait for the result. Oh, here it is. By the way, if you also need to change the background, you can mention it in the prompt. For example, you can say, "I need the picture on a football stadium." By the way, on this site, you can keep the same character and change just the clothes, the background, and even the hair color if needed. For example, watch with me. If you just check the tools here, you can use it to change the clothes, the background, and saving the same person. Also, if you need to add some changes like the color of the hair or something like that, you can just write it in the prompt box. Now you can download your images by clicking there. Here are some results. Now we go to the third site. By the way, this site allows you to change the clothes of the characters by using another image. For example, upload the image you need to change the clothes for, and then upload the image with the clothes you want to use. Finally, click on Try It Now and wait a little. After this, the image will appear. And you can download it by clicking on this button. Next, we'll use the same tool with a new image of this girl. For the images of clothes, we'll use the existing images on the site. You can use any clothes, but for the best quality, make sure the pictures are in PNG format. After uploading, click on the Try It Now button and wait. Once the image appears, download it. This is the result. Now we go to the fourth application for phone users, which you can also download on your PC. The app is called PixArt. After opening it, add the image like this. Then, go to the AI Replace tool and color the area you need to change. I will color the t-shirt and click on Replace. In this box, write the prompt. I'll write, I need this man with a black t-shirt. Wait a little, and the image will appear. Choose the best picture from the two suggested images and download it by clicking the button above. If the picture has bad quality, you can upscale it using the previous site I mentioned. CapCut, we meet in a new video. Bye-bye.